Office 2016 Advanced Setup. I just started the Office 2016 setup/installation on my Windows 10 PC. The installation worked fine and started automatically showing only this dialog. But there are no additional settings possible. I need to choose which programs I want to install and also add additional tools that are often missing when doing a default installation. How can I change the Office installation settings? Choose Programs to install. Add/remove Office tools. Maybe Office installation directory. When I check after the installation in the Windows settings, the Office can only be uninstalled, no modifications available.
You can use the Office 2016 deployment tool to customize the setup. Edit the configuration.xml and add new, exclude app ID, entries for features you don't want to have installed. Now run setup.x/download configuration.xml to only download the requested features and install the customized Office with setup.x/configure configuration.xml.
I was originally going to add this as a comment to the excellent answer from @Mahikandre 1981. However, I couldn't get the comment to format in a readable state. Please upvote the comments from @Hens and @Metrosmurf on that answer because those people found this info first and deserve recognition of that. Once you download the config tool and build your custom configuration.xml, I suggest renaming it so you know which config you are installing. To have it work with the MSDN media. Make sure your config doesn't have a path set. Ensure your product ID is as follows: an LT, product ID equals proplesretail pidkey equals xxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxx́Formula equals true and GT. Extract the media to a folder. I used Office 2016. In Office 2016 replace default setup.exe 400 kilobits with the deployment tool provided setup.exe 4.1 MB. Put your custom configuration.xml in Office 2016 as well. From an administrative command prompt cd to Office 2016. Run setup/configure custom configfile.xml. Profit.
My question was closed with a reference to this question as the original. I'd like to add the answer to my question here because I believe that most people will find it easy to follow. I'm also afraid that the valuable information will disappear along with the question. The hard troubleshooting is captured here. To create Outlook 2019 profile without email, not connected to Microsoft, and thus not requiring sign-in to Microsoft, run outlook.exe/pim profile name to create an Outlook profile with no email. This will not work, however, if you previously created an apparently no email profile using Control Panel and GT, Mail. That simply fails to do the job in Outlook 2019, though it worked in previous versions of Outlook. Furthermore, the bad profile created will be the default profile, so Outlook will use it even if you subsequently ran outlook.exe/pim profile name. To undo this problem, you have to relaunch Control Panel and GT, male, and one of the following. Delete the bad profile. Set the option to prompt the user to choose a profile when Outlook starts. Set the option to always use profile name. Thanks to Carl Timmermans for this answer.
Если я описал область камеры, то видел счастливо,